So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. We can run it in the background as you do the next step in the video. Now for the second step, you want to head over to the link which will be down below in the description, and then you want to download DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Select your language and then click on download. Then you want to install this to your computer. Now once you've downloaded that, the SFC scan now should be completed by now. So next we're going to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. And then you want to run this as well. Now once this has been completed, your problem should be fixed, but if it's still not fixed, you want to head over to the second link which will be down below in the description, and then you want to find your missing DLL file. It will show on the error message that you're receiving, so just search for your file. Now once you have the DLL file downloaded, you want to drag it into the folder of the application where you're having the problem. Then you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.